Hello everyone, this is Rohan Bhattapati, student at NxtWave ccbp 4.0 technology. Currently I'm pursuing my third year bachelor's degree in computer applications. So in this video I'm going to give a briefing on generative AI. So generative artificial intelligence. In order to have a brief knowledge on this, we need to understand five things mainly. The first one is, what is generative AI? Examples of generative AI, how generative AI works, tools of generative AI, why generative AI. So, if we understand these five things, it would be easy for us to gain further knowledge in generative artificial intelligence. The first thing, what is generative AI? Simply, we can say that generative AI is a part of artificial intelligence which create new form of existing data. From the past data, it produces new form of data, which is creative, meaningful content, useful content. So it is being used in most of the entertainment industry, video gaming industry, mainly in information technological industry. So this data working is very efficient and very professional. So let us know the second thing, how generative AI works. So in order to understand how generative AI works, we need to understand the two aspects, examples of generative AI and how generative AI works. If we complete these two, it would be easy for us to understand. So consider an example that we have some data in the form of pictures. Those pictures are related to cats, different types of cats, having different color and different type of positions. So if we give this data to AI tool, it produces new data which has different combination of colored cats, different cats which has different positions, different traits. So all these data will be given to us from the past existing data which we gave to generative AI. This is one of the examples how generative AI works. So this is an example which is related to pictures. So another example is about text-based generative AI. So consider a data. We have lot of storybooks which have lot of stories and number of stories. So we'll be giving all these data to the generative AI tool. So meanwhile, it produces a unique story, gathering few informations from each of the story. So it would be very helpful for writers, and it also produces innovative script forms from the existing data. It is also one of the examples of generative AI. So this is how generative AI works, and it works very professional manner. So one need to have minimum knowledge in order to operate this generative AI application tools. So now we have covered 3 points. What is generative AI? How generative AI works and examples of generative AI. So now we need to discuss tools of generative AI. So we are very familiar with one of the most popular AI tool, ChatGPT. So it is also one of the tools of generative AI. So it retrieves the answers for our questions. So it works like, if we give some question to the generative AI application tool, it retrieves the answer. Whether the irrespective of the subject, it retrieves the answer. So the next AI tool is Murph.ai. It edits our pictures very professionally without any skillful experience. We just need to upload our picture and we just select our desired options, which will be given by the application tool, and it generates a desired picture of ours. So this is how this tool works. And the next one is Lucid Pic. um, this application tool which provides images based on the description we provide to it. This is how this tool works. And the next tool is runway.ml. This application tool generates image without having proper knowledge on coding. And also we can say that it generates machine learning algorithms without proper knowledge on coding. This is how runway.ml works. And the last but one least, dal.e2. It is also one of the tools of generative AI, in which it produces realistic images from the description given by us. If we give some description to that application tool, it creates, it generates realistic form of images. So it is a fantastic tool which is worth. So these are the few tools of generative AI which are authorized tools that one can use. So not all the tools are free to use, but we need to pay some money. Mm, if we are working with these tools, we need to pay some money. These are not free. So these are the tools. Now we have completed four aspects. The last aspect of this agenda of generative AI is why generative AI. Generative AI has very good career development opportunities. It has latest evolving data, so we'll be up to date by using this generative AI. And in coming days, it is going to be the most important aspect in our day-to-day lives. So this is generative AI. We have completed the five aspects. What is generative AI? How generative AI works and examples of generative AI, tools of generative AI, why generative AI. So in this video, I have explained about generative AI.